The first part to our fireworks show. This is how many fireworks we have. We have all the ones right here. A big amount right here. And there's like that. See how many fireworks we have? Tons. And there's like, okay, I'll show you. Look, there's these ones, and it kind of goes on and on. Some right there. Over here we got
lighting them up here.
these gutter things.
I put a 6-inch in there here. It lighter. Yeah, I did that.
Okay, look, you see all those ones. There's just some more right there. But see, at the beginning of every show, for my family, well, because my Uncle Mark does the best fireworks show ever, we have like all these firecrackers go off. First there's this, and then there's like this long line of firecrackers going all the way up there. So when the fireworks show actually starts, we'll tell you. We'll video it. But till then, see ya. But seriously, we'll have like this great fireworks show by my Uncle Mark. Now, I'll go. See ya. Bye bye.